Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It looks like today we're doing number 292. If we start with this row, we're missing a 1 and a 7. I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 4, 5. And no help here, so 3, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got the 3 covering these two boxes, so this is 4, 5, 4, 5. That means that our 3 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so this is our 5, 4. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 2. 1 and 2 here. Means this is our 9, 2, 1. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this top row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, 7, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 7. 7 here, so 4, 5. Nope, that can't be right. It's 4, 9. But now if we look, the only place the 7 can be is here. That 4 makes this our 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. So we can get rid of that 5 and 3, 4 there. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 8. We've got the 8 there and the 5 here. So 1, 4. That 5 and this 1 makes this 4, 8. But if we look, the only place the 8 can be is here, and the only place the 1 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 5. 4 here, so 5, 9. 5 and 9 here. That means this is our 4. That makes this our 5, 9. This column now we're missing 5 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 3, 3 here. So 2, 8. And then if we look, this is the only place our 3 can be. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got the 3 there, so 2 up, and the 5 there. So this is our 2. We've got the 5 over here, that makes us our 3, 5. That 3 makes us our 4, 3. All right. So for this bottom row now, we're still missing 2, 4, 6, and 8. We've got the 2 and the 8 here, so 4, 6. 2 and 8 here, so 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so 4, 9. That's 6 and 7 plus this 9 means that this is our 4, and that 4 makes this our 9. I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. All right, let's go back and look. This 4 now makes this our 6, 4. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. That 2 makes this our 8, 5, 4, 5, 2. 2 makes this our 8, 2. 8 makes this our 5, and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.